Ethernet wire plugged in. This is the communication wire for the camera. Plug that into the back of your Windows tower, and my tower, my Ethernet port is open because I'm using Wi-Fi for my internet.
等一下 let's show this is the interface of the software, and the reason why I said you ignored one of the most function button here is this button. It just looks like a picture. It just looks like a picture, and I think it's not your problem to ignore this function button, because the manufacturer, they translate everything from Chinese to English, but they forgot to translate this most important key here to English, and that's why you are kind of, to you it's just like a picture, just like a Chinese character, it's a picture. So why you click this button? And this button in China, literally it means second or one click. So it means you just by 1 second or one click you find out the problematic of the point, the problematic point of the motherboard. So this is what you look in firstly of this motherboard. And now I'd like to ask our technicians to show you how it works. 你现在跟他，你刚才不是说还要怎么翻一下怎么的？你去说一下。
就是要看一下这个板子的温度是多少。如果我们现在看这一面的温度是这个数，那我们要翻过来看一下这边的温度。因为啥呢？因为是看一下这儿哪面的温度高，就是故障点它是在哪一面。
等一下。Okay, so you need to put this PCB here, and you can see the highest temperature here, and this is like 78 and 翻过来。Okay, this is like 100 degrees something. So this part of the PCB is a higher temperature. So the problematic point of this PCB must be this side. So let's look into this side, and you can see this is a big hot point. And in the video, in the review, that you think you can just easily to find out this big heat point by leap or by your finger touch, but you can click this button.
点一下秒是吧？
点了。Okay, 等一下。So you can see there is a automatic temperature range. There's a very big one. Just now you can see a very big one, and this whole big part is with the hot temperature. But by click this one click button, it will be fast to locate the problematic temperature range. So the problem must be at this range. So you can try to adjust the range of this hot point. 你去拉一下。Okay, you can see. 那拉回去。Okay, so you can see there is a tiny, small hot point here, and then you can put the. 你把那个鼠标放。对。So you can locate the problematic point here, and you can click this space key. This space key is for switch the visible light and the infrared light. Okay, so you can find this like tiny IC is the problem point. So this is a electric leakage problem here, so you can very fast find out the problem. And I'm sorry that we have just one broken motherboard here, and but I want to show you some more cases how this thermal imager works. So I find out one video we made several weeks ago, and I want to show you on this video we made like weeks ago how it works on another case. 没有，你要那个把相机放在这里。Okay, this video we made several weeks ago.
相当高的，然后在旁边呢可以隐隐约约看见 电源的旁边可以隐隐约约看见有一个
Okay, this
有一个小点，也是在温度比
this is
较高，
another
在不停的
this
在
is
上
another
色，然后我们把这个
chromatic
具体在调节
PCB.
把它调得
Okay.
更明显一点。
So
好，现在明显了。
let's pause here. So you can see that in this video, it's different from the another one. Okay, you can see why you didn't see the PCB. Yeah, you didn't see the PCB on the video, but you can see the PCB from another screen. That's because you can change the percentage of. You can change the percentage of this part, and this part is the percentage of the visible light to the infrared light. And in this case, we change the percentage to 0. It means you cannot see the visible light. You can only see the infrared light. So let's keep going.
看到电源芯片旁边有一个点在发热。
Now you can find the hot point
某些芯片发热
from the
并不代表
software.
这颗芯片呢就是出
And I'm
问题
sure
了
that you can find the hot point by lip or by
有可能
finger.
是它周围的这个
And
其他的一些
you may
电路
guess
电
that the
阻啊一些
problem
小
must
的
be
芯片
this part,
的
this
故障
area,
导
but
致这颗芯片
it
的
can be
生
some
发
other
然后通过这个
problem.
PCB 数准仪呢可以迅速判断这个它周围还有没有发热的地方，还是说就只是这一个地方发热。
So you can try to
现在
adjust
看到这个点
adjust
比较明显
the temperature range here to try to find if there are some other hot point nearby. The problem might be the
精准
the
的这个判断到底是哪个
the small ICs nearby, not the problem of this power IC. It can be other IC have the problem to cause this hot issue. So
可以很明显的看到是这个主板的这旁边有一个好像是一个电容吧，这个叫电容发
so
导。
now we can find there is another.
在这样一个维修的案例当
So
中
we can find another small point
电
here,
源发
and
就
this
是
is
因
the
为电源的问题。
this point is the real exact problematic point here. So you can locate this tiny point, and you can find out the problematic IC here. And I think today we have just only 2 cases here to show you how this PCB troubleshoot thermal imager here, and I hope you understand how it works with this function button, the one-click function button, and you can close this automatic temperature range to play with the different temperature range. And I hope you can spend another like half an hour to play with this thermal imager, and I hope you got a better image of this thermal imager. And I think that's all for the explanation from our side, from the manufacturer side. Okay, I think